Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very special because I'm going to teach you how to become fluent in English. If you're struggling with speaking, confidence, vocabulary, grammar, or conversations, this video will help you. I will share all the tips, tricks, daily habits, and secret techniques that fluent English speakers use. So sit back, relax, and watch till the end. Let's begin. Before learning English, you must fix your mindset. Fluency is not about perfection. It is about confidence, clarity, and practice. Here are mindset rules. 1. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. 2. Stop translating from your language. Think directly in English. 3. Don't aim for big words. Use simple, natural English. 4. Consistency beats everything. 5 minutes daily is better than 2 hours once a week. 5. Start small, grow slowly. Fluency comes in layers. Let's move to practical tips. Listening is the base of fluency. 1. Think in English. From now on, try to think in English. Jeb by kuchbalni ka manho. Mind me English sentence bano. Start small, like I'm sitting, I'm cooking, I'm going out. Thinking in English reduces translation time and makes you fluent faster. 2. Use daily routine for practice. Whatever you do in your day, describe it in English. For example, I'm brushing my teeth. I'm making breakfast. I'm getting ready for work. Daily actions equals natural English practice. 3. Learn 10 words daily. Pick only 10 words every day. Unka meaning, sentence or pronunciation learn karo. Small steps every day equals big results in a month. 4. Shadowing method. Shadowing means kissy speaker ko. Sunhyunki soth repeat karna. Copy their speed, tone, and pronunciation. This is the fastest method to sound natural. 5. Record yourself. Take your phone. Record your English for just 1 minute daily. You will clearly see your progress in a week. 6. Learn phrases, not single words. Instead of learning one word, learn full phrases. Like, not discuss. Say let's discuss this. Phrases help you speak complete sentences confidently. 7. Don't fear mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers. Mistakes are part of learning. Speak confidently, even if you are wrong. 8. Expose yourself to English. Change your phone language. Watch English videos. Listen to English songs. Follow English pages. Surround yourself with English daily. 9. Practice with a partner. Find someone who also wants to learn English. Daily 10 minutes conversation can completely change your fluency. 10. Stay consistent. English ek din mi nahai adi. Daily 20 minutes is enough. Just be consistent. Everyday learning is the real key. 1. Read out loud. English sentences, kozorsi padho. Reading out loud helps with pronunciation, confidence, and fluency. 2. Use mirrors for speaking practice. Mirror ke, samni kudsi English mi bot karo. It builds confidence and reduces hesitation. 3. Learn one grammar rule daily. Ajsurf one rule, kal ek or. Small grammar bites daily equals strong foundation. 4. Start with small sentences. Short sentences speak karo. Gradually sentences ko long bano. Step-by-step fluency adi high. 5. Review what you learn. Ekbar sikna kafi nahi. Weekly review zero karo. Revision helps you remember everything for longer. 6. Don't translate everything. Hindi si English me translate karna band karo. Simple English me sacho. This builds fluency naturally. 7. Learn through situations. Situation-based phrases siko. Shopping, restaurant, talking to friends, daily routine. It helps in real-life speaking. 8. Make English your default language. Phone, YouTube, Instagram. Sab English me use karo. Constant exposure equals fast learning. 9. Use English every day. Even 5-10 minutes is enough. Daily thoda balna. Padna sana. Likino is the secret. 10. Celebrate small progress.